Let me ask you one question. What if the biggest threat to your product is something you cannot even see? Welcome to this critical training on cross-contamination, the hidden killer in pharmaceutical manufacturing. In this session, you'll discover how invisible risks can destroy products, harm patients, and even shut down entire facilities. Because in pharma, what you don't see can kill. Cross-contamination is not just about visible dirt or spills. It is the unwanted introduction of impurities, chemical, microbiological, or foreign particles into your product during manufacturing. And here's the danger: even a trace amount, something you cannot see, smell, or detect, can cause serious harm to patients. That means zero visible warning, but maximum impact. This is why cross-contamination is called a silent threat. This is not theory. This is real, and it has already happened. In one tragic case, diethylene glycol was mistakenly used in cough syrup, leading to thousands of deaths worldwide. In another case, melamine contamination in baby formula caused kidney failure in infants. And even in regulated pharma facilities, products were recalled due to penicillin cross-contamination, putting allergic patients at life-threatening risk. One mistake, one contamination, can cost lives. This is why your role matters. So where does this hidden killer come from? There are 4 major sources. First, equipment residues, worn parts, oil leaks, all can carry contamination. Second, personnel. Yes, you can be a source. Skin particles, poor gowning, illness, even jewelry. Third, environment. Airborne dust, poor HVAC control, humidity, all invisible but dangerous. And fourth, raw materials. Incorrect, contaminated, or mislabeled materials entering your process. Remember, contamination doesn't come from one place. It comes from everywhere. Let's understand how dangerous small things can be. A single sneeze can release up to 1 million bacteria into the environment. And dust particles, as small as 0.5 microns, can carry bacteria and viruses. That means what looks like clean air may actually be carrying thousands of contaminants. In pharma, size does not matter. Even the smallest particle can cause the biggest damage. Regulators are watching this very closely. Authorities like FDA and MHRA are increasing inspections and issuing warning letters for contamination failures. Many Class 1 recalls, the most serious type, are linked to contamination issues. And guidelines like EU GMP Annex 1 and ICQ 9 now demand strong contamination control strategies and risk management. So this is not optional. This is a compliance requirement. Let's talk about the business impact. Cross-contamination doesn't just harm patients, it destroys companies. You face product recalls, batch destruction, and massive financial loss. Facilities can be shut down by regulators. Your company's reputation can collapse overnight. And on top of that, legal actions, fines, and lawsuits. One contamination event can cost millions, or even end a company. So how do we stop this? We build a strong, multi-layer defense system. First, facility and HVAC control proper airflow, pressure, and segregation. Second, cleaning and validation scientific limits like MACO and proper procedures. Third, personnel control correct gowning, hygiene, and discipline. Here's the key point. If even one layer fails, the entire system fails. Prevention only works when everything works together. Now let's look at one of the most dangerous contamination scenarios. Beta-lactam antibiotics, like penicillin. Even a tiny trace can trigger severe allergic reactions, including anaphylaxis. These compounds are so potent that cleaning alone is not enough. That's why regulators recommend dedicated facilities. Because sometimes, the risk is too high to control. Let's conclude with one powerful message. Cross-contamination is always present. It never sleeps. Your defense must be constant. It requires discipline, awareness, and commitment every single day. Because at the end of the day, the patient will never see your clean room. But they will feel every decision you make inside it. Stay alert. Stay compliant. Save lives. If you found this training valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because in pharma, awareness saves lives.